Hey everyone, in this video we are going to be correcting sentence 5 under set 1 together. Our sentence says, "The Taneris macrops butterfly, which feeds on ripe bananas, has eye spots on its wings that flash like the eyes of a predator." In this sentence, we're going to add italics or underlining. We're going to add commas to show that we have a non-restrictive phrase or clause. We need to make sure we're using the right word, and we have one spelling error. First, let's work on adding our italics. So now, because we're working with a document that's already been printed, we can't turn something into italics. So to show that it should be in italics, we're going to use underlining instead. The phrase that should be underlined is actually the Latin word for the butterfly, and that's the Taneris macrops. Next, I need to add commas to show that I have a non-restrictive phrase. Like we've talked about previously, a non-restrictive phrase is simply an extra phrase that adds extra information to the sentence. So my sentence is about the butterfly. The extra information that's added about the butterfly starts with this phrase which feeds on ripe bananas. So this phrase is actually my non-restrictive. So I need to set that off from the rest of the sentence by adding a comma before and a comma after the phrase. Lastly, or two more corrections, we need to make sure we're using the right word, and we have to address a spelling error as well. So with using the right word, we're revisiting this word its. If you remember from our corrections last time, we talked about how the its with the apostrophe actually means it is. Let's see if that fits in our sentence. Has eye spots on it is wings. We know that that does not make sense, and so we've used the apostrophe incorrectly. So I'm going to get rid of my apostrophe, and that addresses the using the right word error. And lastly, we have a spelling error, and that is the word predator. Predator should be spelled with an O instead of an E. And that would fix my spelling error. If you have any questions about the corrections that we've made today, don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks for watching, everyone.